Stop using 7 different AI tools to make one video. What if I told you there's an AI that isn't just an AI assistant, it's your own personal AI director? Today I'm showing you an AI that can take a single sentence and handle everything from script writing to storyboard generation and the final animation. It's the world's best AI video creation experience, letting you generate a full video from just one prompt. This is an example of a video I generated using this website.
There arose a great warrior named Goliath, whose height and might were the stuff of legends. Clad in gleaming armor, with a spear that seemed to pierce the heavens and a shield that rendered the bravest hearts to quiver, he was a terror to behold. The Philistines, his people, stood emboldened by his presence, encamped on one side of the valley, daring their foes to confront them. Across the valley, the Israelite army cowered in fear. Their spirits were weighed down by doubt and despair, for no man among them dared to challenge the beast. Each day, for 40 days, Goliath strode forward, his booming voice echoing through the valley as he issued a dire proclamation. "Choose a man and send him down to me," he taunted. "If he is able to fight and kill me, we will become your subjects. But if I overcome him and kill him, you will become our subjects and serve us." The challenge hung heavy in the air, unanswered and oppressive.
Now let's see what this AI director can really do. Here is the website interface. When you come to this website, you need to log in or you sign up. After signing, this is the interface you are going to see. If you come down here, these are different templates that you can choose from. We have general curation, recording to video, faceless short videos, history for kids. If you come down here, you are going to see gallery, and from this gallery area you can see different templates that you can use to generate a video for yourself. Here we have parenting and education. Under each of these categories, if you click on parenting and education, you are going to see different video templates that you can go ahead to use. I'm going to show you all this in this video. Then we have motivation and inspiration. If you also click on that and you come down here, you are going to see different videos under this category. Now let's go ahead and click on philosophy and religion. When we click on that and then you scroll down here, we have this particular template called David and Goliath. If I click on this David and Goliath, you are going to see what was used to generate this particular video. Here we can play the video and then you can take a look of how the video looks like, and then you can come down here where you see this use button, click on it, and you can go ahead to use this template to generate your video. But we are not going to use that for this video. We are just going to go back here, and then here we are going to enter in the title of our video. That is what we want to create our video about. So for this video, I'm going to create this video about the story of Joseph from pit to palace. After entering in your description, then you go ahead and click on this generate button. Immediately you send your story title. This AI director is going to develop a structured task pattern to follow through for the creation of your video. First, it's going to give you an overall planning, that is going to plan your video, and then after that it's going to start writing the script for the video. After that, the third process is the storyboard design. Then the fourth process here is the video post-production setup for your video. Then after that, it's going to analyze the story topics. So this is the output of the language. It's going to use English. Then come down here, it's going to take an aspect ratio of 16:9, a visual style of painting. You can edit all this later when the video is done. After setting that up, it will go ahead to the process of scripting. So this is the entire script that is going to be used to write this story. Then after writing your script, it's going to generate all the images that is needed for your story. So this down here, you can see this is the scene images that is needed for your story. So this is the entire images that is needed for this story. After this AI director is done editing our video, we can then go ahead to edit what we want to edit and add what we want to add. After the editing, we have our entire video ready. So this is the summary of the video, this is the title of the video, this is the script that was used to generate this video, and over here we have our story video ready. So you can take a full preview of your story, and if you are satisfied, you can come down here, click on this download option to download your video. But if you are not satisfied, then you can go ahead and click on edit project so that you can edit this story and add a more personal touch to the story. When you click on the edit project, you are going to see this option available for you. Then right from here, you can click on animate all and animate all these images if you want to have all the images being animated. But if that's not what you want, then you can come down here. This is where you see scene 1. So for the scene 1, this is the image that was used for the scene 1. So you can go to the right hand side here, then you scroll down, and from here you can see regenerate. That is if you want to regenerate this image for the scene 1. You can click on replace to replace this image for scene 1. You can click on insert image to insert an image that should be used for this scene 1. So if you have your own image and you want to use that from your device, you click on insert image. So let's go ahead and click on regenerate, or we click on replace. So for this replace, you can upload an image from your device. If you are okay with the image, then you move on to scene 2. If I click on scene 2 now, I can do the same thing for this image. If I go ahead and go through all my scene, and then I can replace all the scene for this image. After replacing all the images, I can then go ahead to click on next, and this is going to take us to the next phase where we will select our title. So this is where you select the title style that should be shown over your video. If you don't want any title over the video, you can click on this none, and no title will be shown over your video. After selecting this title, then you go ahead and click on subtitle. So this subtitle is going to be shown under this video, which is reading everything that the voiceover is saying. So let's go ahead with this particular subtitle. After that, you come down here, and this is where you select the thumbnail for your video. After this thumbnail, we'll go over to scene effect. So this scene effect is going to give a kind of animation to each of your videos. So if you have this mini zoom, if that is selected, your image for each of these scene is going to have that mini zoom effect over it. And here we have the scene transition. So if you want to have transition in between each of your scene, in between each of your videos, then you can select either of these transition. We have cross blur, we have slide, flash, and any of these transition you can select from. For this, let's just go ahead and select the slide. After the transition, then you go ahead to the voiceover option. So this voiceover option, this is where you can select different voiceovers that you want to use for your video. So for this voiceover, you can click on this play option to listen to how each of these voiceovers sound like, and then you select the one that is suitable for your video. Then if you come down here, you can add an AI avatar over your video, a kind of explaining the video. So since this video is a story video, then we don't need any AI avatar over the video. Then you go ahead to select the AI music. These are different AI music that you can use for your video. So any of these ones that you are okay with, you can select the AI music under your video. And then finally, if you are okay with your result, you can then go ahead, click here on this composite button to composite your video. After some minutes, your video is going to be ready, and then you can download your video. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and let me know in the comment section of this video if I should do more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video.